Hi, my name is Maria and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we'll discuss some problem that I had, and I wouldn't say that it's done, but I want to tell you what I have for now. Well, my topic is how to choose stocks. What is the right way to choose stocks? This is the problem that I faced. You know that for many years I trade Forex, and this is a perfect instrument for me. But day by day, month by month, and year by year, volatility is getting lower, lower, lower. And my colleagues, my friends, different people who trade stocks, they are like making fun. Oh, come on, don't trade Forex, go to trade stocks. And I faced a problem how to use the right one. What should I do? There are different ways that I found for myself, and I want to share it with you right now. This is not something really smart, but this is an easy instrument that you can use with your hands. I do understand that there are a lot of people who want to earn money, and this is something additional. It's not your business for whole life. It's not your job. This is something that you want to use as a help to earn more money to your family. So you don't have too much time to spend with that, or you work on daily time and you trade at night time. You need to sleep sometime. So I would say that I found some easy ways for myself, and actually that's the reason why I have this YouTube channel, because I want to help people to see the good entry point for gold, for metals, for indexes, for stocks. So if you want to understand how to do it by yourself, because you have to be sure that you do understand by yourself, first of all, how to pick stocks, I want to share with you my methods. And this is not something that will press on you or will give you the golden key. This is something that you have to understand here, or you take it into account, or you keep just walking around and trying to find this golden key, okay? So let's talk about my 5 ways to choose the right trading moment for stocks and the way to choose stocks. First one is fundamental. It means that you are really smart, you're really educated, you have a professional education, so you know how to measure all the moments in the company. You know how to understand profit loss. You know how to understand the position of this company among other companies. You understand all the statistical details. You do understand the quarterly reports and what are all those names in the reports are and how to measure them right. So you're really smart, you have a profession, and you don't watch my video now, yeah? So the fundamental situation is a really good way to pick stocks. But if that would be so easy, I think that market would be broken now, because everyone in the world would be too rich. And also you have to understand that very smart people make huge investing companies knowing all those fundamental reasons how to trade, how to pick stocks. But you know, those situations when they break, when they don't choose the right stocks, there are a lot of them. So it's not the golden key. To understand fundamental reason is just a help for you. If you don't understand the industry, it doesn't mean that you don't trade Apple or Tesla. For example, I don't understand anything in General Motors company or in General Electric company. I don't know what they are, but I bought them last year, I earned money, I buy different stocks. It does not mean that I am really professional in all those industries. I just do understand the right price where to buy. And this right price, the entry point, it's not based on fundamental information. Fundamental information may help you to pick the right moment, maybe, because of different news in media. For example, something is happening, and you understand that in this period, maybe in future year, people will be buying some, I don't know, some things. And this company which is providing these things will be really rich soon. So this is a reason, fundamental reason that may also help you. But this is also not a golden key. You always have to combine different different opportunities to pick stocks. And fundamental one is not the only one that you use. For example, if you only use the fundamental reasons and you are so smart, so does it give you the right entry point? No, it's not. It never will give you the right entry point, because fundamental reason is only a picture that will give you a middle term idea, long term idea, but not the entry point. That is something that you have to understand and remember. Well, here is the second moment that you can use, is a technical reason. Technical reason to find stocks. For many years, I used all those technical reasons for Forex, for gold, for Brent. Those are trend lines, those are tendencies, and instruments like moving average, Ishimoku cloud, RSI, stochastic oscillator. This is something that I use, and I know how to use them. What means I know how to use them? It does not mean that I learned how to use the trend line and now I'm super rich. I have a trading system. It means that first of all, I make a technical analysis with the trend lines, I make all those levels, I make different indicators, I put different indicators. For example, when here is a range, we don't use trend instruments, we use range indicators. If here is a trend or tendency, you don't use the stochastic oscillator or RSI because it's for range. You use some moving averages. So I have system that step by step give me an opportunity to find this entry point. I have a story. In Russian media, on Russian TV, I had all those advices to come on TV show, and I came to TV show. I'm really glad that I participated there. There are two teams. By the way, you can find those videos, but in Russian on my YouTube channel, the Russian one. Yeah, I have it, but it's all in Russian. So there are two teams on this TV show. One analytics, one person is for technical team, and another one is for fundamental team. So those ones give you technical reason to trade. Those ones give you fundamental reason to trade, to buy something or sell something. So they always called me for fundamental team, and I won every time. What it means? The technical guy is giving you a reason where to enter market. I give you a reason why to enter market. But do I know when to enter market? Due to fundamental things? No. But I take a reason why to trade some instrument, and I take technical knowledge and give you entry point when to enter market, when to trade this instrument. So I was really good. I won. It was good. Do I use it right now for stock market? Yes, I do. I use stocks like that. So I find some. I can't even say what is more important, to know why to trade or when to trade, because I'm trying to find the technical reason, and I'm also searching for news that will give a good informational pressure on market and will get a good volatility. So if there is nothing that gives me an opportunity to see volatility, I don't trade it. Okay, so you know now two reasons to trade. First is fundamental, second is technical. What else can be a reason for us to find some stocks? How do we find some stocks? There are some companies, investing companies, who give you researches. They make a huge work, huge, because they go through all industries, they go through all indexes, all stocks, through everywhere, and they make all those tendencies, what goes down, what goes up, when to buy something. They give you a really good work done for you. But what you have to understand, they are not really interested in you earning money. They want you to trade. They want you to be active, because you pay commissions, and if you trade more and more often, it's more likely that you will lose your money. If you go through statistical information about how much money companies earn on clients and how many people lose and win, they lose is around 70% of all traders, and win is around 30%. And this is a really good dynamic right now, because years ago this was like 10-90. Now it's 30-70. So people become more smarter. because there are a lot of things that are open on TV, on YouTube, and you can go through smart information and pick the right stocks. So all those companies, investment companies who share their ideas with you, thank you very much to them. They are really good. But you got to understand that not all of them give you entry point. Well, I have all those VIP letters written to me, and there are people who write me like, we should advise you to buy this instrument, that instrument because of that, and hold there. And they give me risks, they give me opportunities, they write all this information to me. Thank you very much, but they are not giving me entry point, and I double check them. So they give me like a way where to look at, and after that I may go through stocks by myself and check the technical reason. Is it really like that? Should I really buy that right now or not? So this is something that I use. I go through different researches, I read what they write, but I find entry point by myself and I decide when to trade. And it is not a help, actually, it's just like help to trade, only to trade. What you have to do, you have to have 2, 3, 5 companies like that who give you letters. So if you have only one opinion that someone gives you idea to buy some stocks, do not buy like that. Go through 3, 5, 6 different opinions about these stocks. And after that, you are welcome to buy. If you go to Yahoo Finance, you would see that there are some recommendations to buy or to sell something, and they write how many people think like that right now, how many companies think like that. So it means that you are a boss, you are a manager, and all the companies who give you their researches, they are your workers. What you have to do is to check how they work. It sounds easy, but this is something that you have to do before you buy some stocks. Okay, and the fourth idea, analytical people, people on YouTube, bloggers who are like me, who write you trading ideas for different stocks. You have to check everyone. For example, investment companies who give the researches, they are interested in your active position, in you to be active, to trade all the time. People on YouTube are interested more in some commercial projects. Maybe they also give you some links, so you go through those links and you will register in some companies, and all those YouTube bloggers get some fee for this. So it's not that fair, but it also works for those people on YouTube. You got to understand that, for example, I make all those free researches right now. I'm just giving you information what I trade, and I give you what I trade. So you can go and check what I trade. And there are a lot of people like me in the internet. You just have to listen not to 1 or 2 people, but like 3, 4, 5 opinions about some stocks. And after that, make your own opinion and go to trade. To be active, to be really active, buying and selling something all the time, it takes time. You have to understand that. So it's more comfortable to find people who give you middle-term ideas, and you have time to think about those ideas and to market, hold position, and not do anything with your hands. You just hold position and wait for a result. Okay, here is the 5th method that I want to share with you, and this is actually an instrument that will help you to become a little bit better right now, because this is the 200 moving average. Please use it on daily chart. Daily chart is something that you can use as a trading moment after the tendency. For example, price was going up for 15, for 20 days, for 40 days, it was going up. And here is already a tendency, a good one. What are you seeing right now? Price meets a good level of resistance. It gives you a rebound. How far will it go down? First of all, you see a rebound, for example, on 5-minute chart. You put 200 moving average on 5-minute chart. So your first target after rebound is this 200 moving average on 5-minute chart. After they break 5-minute chart 200 moving average, the next target is 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. The next target after they break it, 200 moving average on 30-minute chart, and step by step, 30-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart. You come to daily chart. And this is the moment after you get your profit. If you were selling some, for example, you trade CFD, and this is the moment for you to buy stocks after price meets 200 moving average. This is not a golden key. It does not mean that price 100% will give you a rebound, but this is area, the 200 moving average on daily chart, where you should go through different opinions and watch either people buy right now or do not buy. And this is the technical, good technical and easy technical reason for you to find an entry point. 200 moving average on daily chart. It does not mean that they will give you a big rebound, but this is a good technical moment to wait that they will give you some money to buy and earn. Also, there are some tendencies, and you can go through my videos here on YouTube to watch how I use tendencies, how I trade them, how I give people entry point for stocks, for indexes, for gold, for metals, totally. So you can check how it works with your eyes. The golden key is to understand not the fundamental work of some company, or to be super good in technique situation, or to be super smart in watching all videos on YouTube. You'll be lost. But the best thing what you can do is to combine all of this. So, for example, you see on YouTube or on TV, or you get a letter from a company that here's an advice to buy Tesla, for example. What you gotta do? Read some news about Tesla. For example, they're good. Read some technical researches Tesla. Make something with your hands to measure. You have to use technical instruments, tendencies, 200 moving average. You gotta add them on chart, and it will help you to understand either you should buy or you should not buy. Any idea from the internet should be checked by you personally, because you're a boss. You're a boss of your wallet, of your money. No one is interested in you to become rich, actually, except of you. So if you want to become rich, if you want to make money here with the stocks, you have to use right instruments and believe in yourself first of all. I read a book about investment right now, and it's really funny saying that if you want to know rules to trade, they're really easy. They will sit on like a piece of paper, trading rules. Those are not like some medical reasons to become smart, like to become a doctor. You have to read a lot of books, a lot of information. But for a stock trader, all the information may be fitted on this piece of paper. Why to buy and when to buy. So all the rules are really easy. You just got to take them and work with them. Thank you very much for your opinion, and under the video, either you like my videos a lot, and you're welcome to write it under the video. Also, please stay with me on this channel, so sign in, press this thumbs up, and I have Instagram and Telegram channel. Instagram is mariaforex.com. For Telegram channel, go under the video, you'll find a link and join it. I hope you like what I do, and I wish you a lot of profits, and I wish you an opportunity to use right stocks in right moment. See you later in other videos. Bye bye.